So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to create an email draft on Google Docs. So once Google Docs is opened up, I want you guys to go to the main screen here. If you were to go ahead and type something like email draft, for example, it won't appear. But if you were to go ahead and delete the entire thing, this top bar right here, go ahead and hover over email draft. Then once that is done, you can go ahead and select it. So once email draft is selected, it's actually going to go ahead and use your Gmail account that's connected to your Docs account here. So you can go ahead and select the people that you want to send the email to, as well as whoever you want to CC, BCC, etc. You can go ahead and type in a subject. And right down below right here is where you can actually go ahead and write your email address. So this can just be draft. You can go ahead and say hello, that this is an email draft, etc. You can also go to the right hand side here and use borders if you want. And basically, once that is done, you can go ahead and preview this in the Gmail app and sort of proceed that way with drafting your email here on Google Sheets. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to create an email draft on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.